Now, the unclaimed bodies found floating in the Ganga near Unnao were buried today, but it's unclear how they got there and how this can be prevented in the future. Some environmental organizations have been demanding action against human immersion in the river Ganga, but state politicians continue to pass the buck instead of addressing the problem.
Shocking images from earlier this week. Over 100 dead bodies floating on India's most sacred river near Unnao, sending the state government and the Water Resources Ministry into a tizzy. The Pariyar area where the bodies were found is used as a cremation and burial ground. Plus, the weak monsoon did not replenish the river water, drying up the riverbed, exposing the bodies.
यहाँ शमशान घाट है, यात्री लोग आते हैं, यहाँ भाग चले जाते हैं।
तो लोग यहाँ पे आते हैं अंतिम संस्कार करने?
हाँ, अंतिम संस्कार करने आते हैं।
पर क्या बॉडीज को बहा देते हैं?
हाँ, बहा देते हैं।
The local authorities performed the last rites and the bodies saw a quiet burial along with the Havan. The municipal workers on the spot describe how difficult the task was.
कितना टाइम लगा ये करने में?
हम लोगों को मैडम
सुबह हम लोग 7 बजे आ गए थे और शाम को करीब यहाँ से
7:30 बज गया था।
7:30-8 बज गए थे वापसी।
किस हालत में थी ये लाशें?
बहुत बुरी हालत में थी। आप देख लेती तो आपको खुद समझ में आ सकता। काफ़ी सड़ी थी और काफ़ी सीरियस हालत थी।
At the ghat here today, the administration has deployed about 7 of these JCB machines as well as some labourers who are working overtime to try and ensure that there is enough sand and this entire area is levelled where the bodies that were found have been buried. The bodies were completely decomposed, which is why they could not be cremated but had to be buried.
While the state's politicians chose to play the blame game, the incident highlights the practice of human immersions, bringing another angle into the Modi government's 2,000 crore Clean Ganga campaign, in which the focus had been on waste and garbage.
अगर आप ये सोचते हैं कि 29 साल में जो नहीं हो पाया वो हम 6 महीने में करके दिखा दें तो आप हमारे साथ अन्याय करें। दोनों प्रकार की व्यवस्थाएं वहाँ हों जिसमें कि ये लोगों की इच्छा पर छोड़ा जाए। अगर कोई चाहे कि विद्युत शवदाह का इस्तेमाल करना है तो रिवर फ्रंट डेवलपमेंट जो हमारे तैयार हो रहे हैं वो दोनों प्रकार की व्यवस्थाओं के साथ होंगे। ना हम आस्थाओं के साथ खिलवाड़ करेंगे और ना हम साइंस और तकनीकी के साथ में खिलवाड़ करेंगे।
A grim reminder on how the struggle to save India's holiest river is urgent and an indication that it will be long drawn. With camera person Ramesh Verma, Neha Masih for NDTV.